Hello, future crypto millionaires. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on COTI. Look at this, guys. A new era is about to begin. Next week, we have the COTI mainnet launch, and this can have bullish impact on the price action. Before we look at the chart, I have an important announcement to make. This is your last chance to join the Telegram group for free and lock in lifetime access. Because in just a few days at the start of next month, the group becomes $25 to join. But if you join right now, you will never pay a dime. Your access is locked in for life completely free. This is my gift to those of you who did support the channel early. Once the price goes up, it only applies to new members, and the price is going to keep increasing from $25 to $49 and so on. So be smart, get in now, and secure your free lifetime spot before the door closes. This is a no-brainer, guys. Look what we've been doing in the group. Just a few days ago, I posted auction on my Telegram group. 10 days later, boom, 310% up. You see, here on CoinMarketCap, auction is a top performer, trending coin. This is not luck, guys. We have been doing this over and over again. So click the link in the description below and join for free, as long as it's free, before you miss out another trading setup with 300% profits. Okay, so this is COTI over USDT daily chart on Binance. As you see here, the price action pumped all the way up to 18 cents back in December of 2024. Then traders and investors took profits and the price action pulled back, started moving in a downtrend inside this pattern that I have here on the chart. As you see, we have this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. We saw a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, over 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid support trend line. And also, we have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. We got rejected here, another rejection here, another rejection, even though it's not touching perfectly, another rejection, again, over 3 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid resistance trend line. And as you see, the price action is currently testing this resistance. So the real question is, are we going to see a breakout or a rejection here? The bearish case scenario would be for the price action to get rejected here again, just like we saw rejection here, here, and here. This is very possible, guys, because remember, in theory, as long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. And therefore, since we haven't seen a breakout yet, we have to assume that the price action is going to continue moving inside this pattern, downtrending, until we see a breakout. So that's the bearish case scenario, guys. A rejection here and a break below this key level of support that I have here on the chart that's located at 0.063. If we see a rejection and the price action pulls back, I am watching to see if the price action is going to break below this very strong support. Because if it does, I expect the downtrend to continue and the price action to pull back, and probably the price action to come back to bounce at this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. And look at this, guys. Look why I am saying this. As you see, the price action tried to break below this horizontal support level that's located at 0.063 right here. But the buyers stepped in and pushed the price action higher. And then again, notice that the price action tried to test this horizontal support. Boom, buyers stepped in again, pushed the price action higher. And then it happened again, third time. The price action tried to break below this horizontal support. Boom, again. Buyers stepped in and pushed the price action higher. So if we see another rejection here, right at this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance, I am watching to see if the price action is going to bounce here again, if the buyers are going to step in and push the price action higher, because this is going to take us to the bullish case scenario. The bullish case scenario, of course, would be a breakout above this upper descending resistance trend line. The breakout might happen now. If we see a lot of volume and buyers stepped in, we might see a breakout right now. But also, a breakout might happen later. For example, we might see a pullback first, a bounce on the support, and then a breakout to occur. Okay? One way or the other, this pattern has a very high chance of breaking to the upside. So I really think that sooner or later, we are going to see a breakout. Even if the bearish case scenario plays out and we see another pullback all the way down here, we are going to see a breakout afterwards sometime. I strongly believe that. But Now, talking about the bullish case scenario, we have two options, guys. If we see a breakout, we might see an explosive move to the upside, hitting the rest of the target, something like this. But it's very, very possible that we are not going to see an explosive move to the upside because the market conditions at the moment are very choppy. And most altcoins, after they break out of their downtrends, they show some kind of consolidation, some kind of sideways move before the next leg up. So I think that some kind of consolidation after the breakout is very, very possible. Anyway, I have a few targets here for you that you should pay attention to because traders and investors like to take profits when the price action hits those targets. So, from the current price levels, the first target that's located at 0.094, that's a measured move of 26%. Next target is located at 12 cents. The measured move from the current price levels, that's a 74% move approximately. Next target is located at 15 cents, and that's a 112% move. Life changing money. Last target is located at 18 cents, and that's a measured move of 151%. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, COTI has a market capitalization of 132 million. Therefore, it's not as heavy as a token as other large caps that we've been talking about. It doesn't need a lot of liquidity to flow into it in order to move. So I think a move like that can easily happen for COTI. Now, if we see a pullback first and the price action bounces right at this key level of support that's located at 0.063, of course, a measured move from here to this last target, for example, is going to be even greater. That's going to be over a 196% move. So for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, guys, I think that no matter what, you should wait for a breakout. Buy the breakout, buy the retest, wait for a continuation move to the upside, either right away or after consolidation period. But for those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, I suggest that you let the price action to do its thing and wait until the price action or comes back to retest here after the breakout or breaks above this key level of resistance that's located at 0.094. And remember, always set up a stop loss. A stop loss helps you manage your risk, guys. Don't trade without a stop loss. It's not worth it. And also, for those of you who are advanced traders and you are familiar with shorting, you might want to consider opening a short position if the price action gets rejected here. And even better, if the price action gets rejected and then breaks below this key level of support, maybe short the breakdown and add to your position if you see a bearish retest and wait for a continuation move to the downside. Take advantage of the bearish case scenario. But if you're a beginner, I suggest that you focus on the bullish case scenario only. That's all I had for you today, guys. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.